different. Young, black, and gifted, I'm blessed. Different. Learn not losing, I'm just winning. Dub pay my dues and I'm still spinning. Got rave reviews as an independent. Straight or aesthetic, and y'all just isn't. The world loves when I speak the unapologetic truth. Woo. What's up, world? Welcome to WWTDX. I'm the Dean. Oh yeah. Just finished recording my latest single. Dropping very soon. Stay tuned. I just finished all my vocals, all my layers of my vocals. Now, time to mix them down. But before any major processing, gotta clean them up. Clean them vocals. Make them nice and pristine, you know? So gotta get rid of all them breaths in between your vocals. Any unwanted noises, extraneous plosives. But for the most part, I'll show you a basic cleanup how to keep your vocals nice and clean and fresh. But it first starts off with here, the recording. You gotta record clean vocals, but of course, never perfect. And that's what I'm gonna show you today. Let's go. Welcome to the DEEEAAANXperience. I'm in it still. Okay, in order to clean up them vocals, you need to make sure in between these vocals that there's no breath, there's no background noise, there's no spill from the headphones, you know, anything in that nature. You want to make sure you have nice, clean, crisp vocals before you begin processing. You do this with all your tracks, all of your vocal tracks. You do this. This is how you will clean up your vocals, you know, get rid of any noise. Because once you add reverb and, you know, you add all more processing, you're going to hear that. And it's going to sound pretty dirty. I don't think you want that. So what you do is you adjust the gain. You go to adjust gain right here, and you adjust it -40. Because obviously, who's hearing -40 dB? Who's hearing -40? No one. And this is how you clean up your vocals. This is in Logic Pro, but essentially is the same ideology, the same methodology, more or less, with any DAW you use. It's just a different functionality and different ways and methods that achieve the same result. Well, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Till next time, one love. You want a more optimized experience with your YouTube? Check out my buddy, your buddy, TubeBuddy. You click the link down below. You get a discount. You know, I appreciate that. Because, you know, I get a little change for that too. Everything is needed. Much love. For more videos of WWTDX in the stew, click these videos.